Today, let's have a quick tutorial on how to sublimate rubber coasters. First, your design should be larger than your material to cover up the entire coaster. My settings for this material is 200 degrees Celsius for 45 seconds. Place a piece of paper under the design to protect your bed from edge bleeding. If you reach this part of the tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will help us a lot. Let's make another one without cut. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.